Okay, students, next we have is zeros of polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial. Now this is very interesting topic, okay? So this is very easy, but people will get confused, okay? So what does this means here? One expression I will take. X plus 2 is one expression. Okay, let's take the x plus 2 is one equation. So what does it say? That it is saying that p of x is equal to how much? X plus 2. Okay, p of x is equal to x plus 2. Now what should I put the value of x so that this equation becomes 0? Okay, now if I take x is equal to minus 2, if I put x is equal to minus 2 here, now p of x is equal to x is how much now? Minus 2. So minus 2 plus 2, the answer of p of minus 2 is how much? 0. Yes or no? One equation will be there, we will make that equation 0. If I make the equation's answer to be 0, what number should I put to make it 0? See here, if I put here 1, if I put 1 here, p of 1, I took minus 2, I got 0. Correct? This is the p of x is equal to, first I will write 1 second, p of x is equal to how much? X plus 2. If I take p of 1, if I introduce 1 in x, so 1 plus 2, how much is my answer of p of 1? P of 1 is equal to 3. Did I get 0? No. So this is not the answer. If I similarly, if I take 0, will I get 1 plus 0 plus 2? 0, 2 I will get. Yes or no? So till I get the value of that equation to be 0, till then I should keep on validating the terms. Okay, this was one simple expression. Okay, so once again I will explain. What is zeros of polynomial means? One expression will be there. We will try to make it 0. How we will make it 0? By taking one term which I don't know. I will keep on iterating. From 0 I will start. Okay, I will do and show you one sum. Okay, thank you.